Good morning, everyone. Danielle Prentiss here today to talk to you all about Oracle's private cloud or platform as a service. I've had the opportunity to meet with your IT staff a couple of times and identify some key business challenges. And I just want to see today if perhaps talking about Oracle's platform as a service helps align with your goals as an organization. Is that fair?
That sounds good.
Very good. Just to start off, I want to identify some meeting objectives. I'd like you all to come away today with a common understanding of platform as a service. And again, seeing if our strategy as Oracle aligns with the goals of your organization. Does that sound right?
That sounds good.
Very good. So what I want to do today is talk a little bit about the key challenges that I've talked to your IT staff about. Some of the things that came up in conversation were delivering a solution faster, improving service levels as an organization, and improving IT costs and efficiencies. So we've had those conversations about CapEx versus OpEx, and see if this solution, platform as a service, makes sense in doing so. So with that being said, just to talk a little bit about platform as a service, so what you're getting here is database as a service, middleware as a service, all on top of infrastructure as a service. So this ties in here to all your applications. So right now, and just again talking with your IT staff, all these different stacks are siloed. So there's different stacks for each line of business. Everything's kind of working on its own. What we're doing here is we're kind of pulling everything into one, and we're increasing agility in doing so. So what we're doing is we're aligning IT with the lines of business. So we're taking a lot off the lines of business and just putting it into a cloud right here where everything works in sync together on one centralized platform. And then you can move more towards innovation as an organization. And what else does this do? I'm going to do it over here. This is going to decrease risk within your organization. So it's going to take the ease of governance. It's going to take a little bit about the ease of governance and compliance, and again, take the workload off the line of business, and and make things work a little bit better as an organization. And then what we're going to do, most of all, is decrease cost. So by decreasing cost, we mean CapEx versus OpEx. So you're moving more towards innovation versus all these stacks running in silo. So, are you following me so far?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay. And again, in that siloed approach, we're going to take that a step further to the next phase, which is standardization and centralized platform. So I talked to many customers that are working this way. No one's fault. A lot of companies have acquired. Everything's working in its own environment. Here we're going to take everything onto one platform and standardize. And then you move towards the optimization phase. And that's where ultimately you'll get. So again, with Oracle's private cloud platform as a service, some of the key capabilities, just kind of tying this all in as one. Again, a standardized shared platform. One platform instead of all these smaller environments running in silo. You're looking at service catalog, like-to-like databases, standardizing again. Chargebacks and showback, just kind of having everything work in one in sync. Self-service. Multi-tenancy, ensuring resource allocation, again, taking the resources and putting them out there versus having everything be on the lines of business. Centralized management, and again, engineered systems, which we've spoken to about before. So as you can see here, just looking at the business challenges that we discussed before, you're going to deliver a faster solution. So all this really ties into is time to market, value to market, getting the lines of business and having everything work in sync, improved service levels, and improved IT costs and efficiencies. Again, you can work as an organization towards innovation versus just keeping the lights on. Does this seem to make sense so far?
It does.
just to tie in a few companies that, just proof points, companies that I'm sure you've heard of before, obviously General Electric, just by using Oracle's platform as a service, was able to deliver 1,000 times faster deployment. Pretty impressive numbers. Garmin, again, month-end reports were 10 times faster, 99% uptime, and they took 12 servers and put them on 2 Exadata boxes. So just by doing that, again, they made everything run in sync. Turkcell, it's a fraud and advanced database analytics company, was able to run 10 times faster reports. Storage reduction, they took from 600 terabytes to 60. So as you can see, platform as a service has helped a lot of organizations such as your own. Does this make sense, you think, to speak a little bit further and perhaps set up a cloud provisioning workshop?
I think that does make sense, Danielle.
Okay. We'll set that up and we'll go from there.
Sounds great.
Thanks for talking to me today.
You got it.